a bright and sunny day, Cuddle Cubbies found an egg. Saw a baby birdie hatch, don't know how to make a beg. On a bright and sunny day, Cuddle Cubbies found an egg. Saw a baby birdie hatch, don't know how to make a beg. Mrs. Thomas must know this, she's the one who knows it all. With the birdie so small, she will guide us through it all. On a bright and sunny day, Cuddle Cubbies found an egg. Saw a baby birdie hatch, don't know how to make a rest. On gazing on the bud, Mrs. Thomas sings a song. Cuddle power saves the bird, and the fusion didn't go wrong. On a bright and sunny day, Cuddle power saved the bird. Found a shelter and the mom, and then sent them back to home. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Guys, hurry up! Yeah!
Oh, Mommy! Are you all right?
It's hurting!
It's all because of you!
Whoa! What did I do?
Leave it, guys! We need to tend to Robbie first.
I have a first aid kit in my bag. Let me get it. Oh. Ellie, you're a smart girl. Only, I don't know how to use this thing. Oh, I know. Just apply the Band-Aid.
No, that's not right. You first wash it with water.
Look at your hands. They're so dirty.
First, you have to clean your hands.
Guys, hold on. It seems none of us knows how to use the medical kit.
Well then, I think it's cuddle time!
Cuddle Cubbies, cuddle!
First things first. Do not panic. Wash or sanitize your hands. Clean the wound with a cotton pad. Finally, put the Band-Aid on.
I think we can do it.
Oh yeah! Let's begin! Robbie, calm down!
Clean your hand.
Clean the wound to remove the dirt. And it's done!
Thank you so much, friends. I'm feeling better.
Shall we take you home now?
No, why? A teeny meeny wound won't stop me. Am I right?
So come on then!
Yeah!
One shiny apple up on the tree. Come see everyone, it's lovely to see. Just take a big bite, tastes so sweet. Apples are a healthy treat. Counting apples one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need some. Counting apples one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need some. Ellie needs to understand, and we have to take a stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the numbers we can't miss. Counting apples one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need some. Counting apples one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need some. Now she wants to climb the tree. Grab an apple, see how it feels. It's time to cuddle up again. This is all we understand. Counting apples one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need some. Counting apples one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need some. Counting apples one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, we need some. Counting apples one by one.